Yo, what's up? My name is Sayysooflyy, aka Sayysooflyy, founder of The Bridge CEO. And in this video, I'm gonna show you 5 ways to get rich in 2022. Now, these are things that I'm actually doing. These are all things that help me make money every single month. And I promise you that if you take at least just one of these things seriously, it can pay you for the rest of your life. All right, now the first thing that we have on the list is YouTube. Yo, why are you not on YouTube? You're spending all your time on TikTok. You're making videos anyway. You might as well get paid for it. YouTube is one of the best platforms for residual income. And what I mean by that is I'm still getting paid every single month for videos that I've made years ago. All right, and I'm gonna continue to get paid for those videos forever. And you could do the same thing by making a YouTube channel, being consistent, and just putting out videos. All right, number 4, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is pretty much you getting paid to put people on. All right, so same way how you might be in a store, somebody come up to you, yo bro, there's some nice shoes. Where you get them shoes from? Oh, I got them from Foot Locker. If they go to Foot Locker and they buy those shoes because of you, Foot Locker will pay you for putting them on. All right, that's what affiliate marketing is. So really think about that. How many times have someone came up to you and was like, yo, where you get them shoes from? Or, yo, where you get that hat from? Hey girl, where you get that purse from? And you told them, but you didn't get paid for it. With affiliate marketing, you will get paid for putting people on. All right, number 3 is NFTs. All an NFT is just like digital art. So same way how you have comic books or trading cards or like actual art, how people can buy art and then resell it for, you know, more money. Same thing with NFTs. NFT is like digital art. It's a one-of-one piece of digital art that you actually own. All right, so like there are comic book NFTs that come out for $7 and reselling for thousands, $2,000, $5,000, $10,000 for a comic book that you bought for $7 or NFT. All right, number 2, network marketing. Now, I got introduced to network marketing by my brother. He was always telling me about it. I wasn't interested for a long time, and pretty much, long story short, I hit rock bottom. I ended up talking to him, and he just asked like, yo, how much money do you think I make? I'm like, bro, I don't know. Like, I don't know how much money you make. He put out his phone, showed me a direct deposit of $27,000. And I'm like, you just got paid $27,000? He's just like, yeah. And I'm like, $27,000? Like, you got paid 27 bands? And he's, yeah, I get that every week. Mine was blown at that moment. Pretty much he's telling me how you get $27,000 every single week. I asked him how. He said network marketing. That was the day that changed my entire life. That day right there. The number 1 thing on the list is investing. Now, understand that only 1% of the world are investors, and these people are the wealthiest people in the world. Now, first things first, let's talk about the 4 types of people. Now, the first type of person is an employee. This is someone who has a job. They clock in, they trade their time for money. The second type of person is someone who's self-employed. So pretty much they work for themselves. A tattoo artist, a barber, a hairstylist, even you could say an Uber driver. They work, they only get paid when they work. If I'm a barber, I'm only gonna get paid when I'm cutting hair. If I'm a tattoo artist, the only time I'm gonna get paid is when I'm actually tattooing somebody. So that's self-employed. The third type of person is a business owner. So this is someone who has some kind of system that actually, you know, they have a system that makes money for them. The business owners also might have employees that work for them. All right, and then last but not least, like I said, the investors. These are the wealthiest people in the world. And the thing that makes them different from everybody is that they use their money to make money. So this side of the quadrant, they use their time to make money. And this side of the quadrant, they use their money to actually make money. It doesn't matter if it's Forex, crypto, stocks, gold, you need to start investing. And also, out of everything, you need to start investing in yourself. So with that being said, these are the 5 different ways to get rich in 2022. And all honestly, it's not even in 2022. It's like these are 5 ways to get rich, to build wealth in life. in general. If you want to learn how to do everything that I just showed you, if you want to learn how to start to grow your YouTube channel, what should you post, if you want to learn how to get into affiliate marketing, who pays the most when it comes to affiliate marketing, the different companies and stuff, how to buy these comic books for $7 and resell them for thousands of dollars, how to get into network marketing and get paid $27,000 a week, how to invest, how to get better at investing, how to actually maximize your returns in the market. If you want to learn how to do all 5 of these things, all you have to do is click the link down below to get started with us, join our community, and we can make this money together. We already have thousands of people from all around the world who are having results. You can be next. Just click the link down below. I look forward to working with you. I'll see you in the Discord here at the Bridge CEO. You already know how it go. You're either gonna catch the wave or get washed up. Sheesh. Peace.